Hey guys, so today I want to recap what was the most frustrating trading day I have had in a long time. Now, P&L wise, from a prop standpoint, there was a very tiny gain. Took this level here, ended up closing it up prematurely because of conditions that presented themselves. Then there was another area I was looking to short up here. However, I canceled the trade when it came right up to the entry and then started to reject off of it. So I went ahead and canceled this. I was actually looking at this 85 area as a target location, but just seeing this move down and the way the market had just been grinding up, I decided to go ahead and cancel that trade. It did, however, end up going to the original target destination on that one. So just wanted to notate that. But this is the updated track record for the prop accounts. And then moving over to the simulated account, I had 4 trades today, one on copper, which was the only one that actually lost P&L, and then I had 3 break-even trades on the YM. So first taking a look at copper, I had this area here that I wanted to sell. It's one that, from my gut standpoint, just seeing how strong the trend was, I wasn't thrilled about this entry, but it is interesting to point out just how much of a wall this area turned up to be. It just could not break through it. It tried many times, came within a tick of stopping me out. I ended up closing just at the end of the day. And from here, I mean, who knows, this could chop around all night, but it's no longer a trade that meets my criteria. So now that the day is over, I will reassess copper tomorrow. And then moving over to the Dow. So this was my first attempt short. It did come kind of close to stopping me out on this one, but we got a nice rally down. I had my profit target sitting right here, so we shot down pretty hard towards it. Really frustrating to see that come back to break even, but this is one of those cases that it was better to take break even than get stopped out. Then again, right here, this is a trade that I actually missed the execution on because I was managing my prop trade right at the same time. But this is one that we can't see on the chart here, but intra-bar, I actually submitted, or I tried to submit this entry, but price came down with back up, and before I could get the entry filled, it went on to this area here, which is where I was pulling to break even. So I pulled it to break even mentally, and so I just canceled the trade. Had I been filled on it, I would have just closed out at break even on that. And then I had this trade up set up here. This is one that I would say of the 3 trades, this was my favorite one to take. It did end up triggering my break even, but I had my target resting down below here, so I was unable to get filled on that. Another stop out there, and good thing I didn't hold that one as well. So today, from a P&L standpoint, could have been a lot worse. So I do have to remind myself of that. And I could easily come in here and play the hindsight game of, oh, I just moved my target a little bit higher and I would have had a very profitable day on all these trades. And while that's true, I just have to accept that this sort of thing happens to me a lot. And I need to prove to myself that if I'm allowing these larger targets to play out over the long run, that is still a profitable system. So we shall see. It has been a tough week and a half for the system with minimal trading. But we'll just come back tomorrow and take a look at what these markets want to give us.